Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the class that you can choose in Battle Royale mode. So it's quite useful if you're push your rank. So I want to show you is a tracker class, Clown. This is a subclass of tracker. Click. This is the Clown. Toy bomb summon dog that attack nearby enemy units. And also the benefit or the advantage or the perk is the tracker. So this dog can track the enemy footstep and also can be heard from a distance. You can also change the camo or the skin if you have it. So please tap the clown. Let's give it a try in the training ground. Click the training ground, confirm, start. Welcome to the training ground. As you can see, that's the enemy on the far post. So that I want to show you this one. This is the dog or the clown that I want to deploy to track the enemy. So deploy the clown. As you can see, that's the clown canine unit. So it tracks the enemy and it helps you to defeat the opponents. So give it a try in the actual gameplay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.